Welcome, in front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 5 and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. Now, to get started you can see that the phone I have here is locked, so I need to draw the pattern that was previously set up on this device, and obviously you can also use the Google account to unlock it. But assuming I don't know either of those, I'm just going to show you how you can get rid of it altogether without providing anything. Now, for this, we will need a SIM card. SIM card needs to have at least like one contact on it, and that's about it. So, another thing that you want to do is connect to your network. So as you can see, I am connected right here. And from there, we're gonna back out to the beginning, the setup page right here. And I insert your SIM card. Now my SIM card has a pin, but that is not a requirement. Oops. So once you insert your SIM card, you want to click right over here, emergency call, emergency information. I'm going to select edit, add a contact. This will then display all the contacts that are on the SIM card, as you can obviously see right here. That's the reason why I inserted that SIM. And from here, you just select any kind of contact. Now, the contact that is on the SIM card doesn't even need to be real. We just need to add some kind of number. From there, you're gonna click on it. Then we're gonna select contacts. I'm gonna select just once. Allow this, allow. And from here, we're gonna now select share. This will bring up a couple of methods of sharing, and we want to select Gmail. We're gonna hold it. I'm gonna select app info. From here, you wanna select notifications, advanced, additional settings in the app. From here, the three dots right here, and you want to select help and feedback. And from here in the search bar, you're gonna type in Morse or MO, and it should bring up an option as I suggested. So write in Morse code. It's literally at the top. I'm gonna click on that. Give it a moment. You can see it shows up a video. So from here, we will simply tap on this video. And let's see, I'm gonna click on the three dots right here. I'm gonna select share. Then I'm gonna click on these three dots. I'm gonna select Chrome. Again, I'm gonna select just once. Accept and continue, and no thanks. There we go. Now from here, click right at the top and navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. So if you need a moment to copy this link, do pause the video. Once we load to our website, give it a second, it should give us this pop-up, so select consent. And now we can scroll down, and you're looking for this right here, so setting up. Let's click on the image. So obviously take us to our settings, and in here we are looking for Now we should be looking for security and location, but there's no such an option here. So let's see, maybe privacy. Can I quickly check what we need to do? So we need to enable screen pinning. Okay, so I'm gonna just simply search for it. I think that might be never mind, I'm not going to search for it. So let's go to security. There we go. I have screen pinning in here. You want to enable it. And also toggle on lock device when unpinning. And as you've seen, I had a pattern as a way of unlocking the device as a verification method. So I'm going to select something completely different right here. I'm going to stick with pin now. So I'm going to choose that. I select my pin, 1, 2, 3, 4, fairly simple. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's basically all we need to do. So next thing is we will hold our power key, select restart. Okay, so I need to put in my SIM card pin. I could also take out the SIM card, won't really matter. Now there was a lock screen, which I needed to unlock it using the pin that I set. And the reason that happened is because we have selected the screen pinning, and then we set up a pin for that reason. So when we boot up the device, it automatically tells us to unlock the device because it's technically using a screen lock now. But more importantly, when we're gonna go through the setup process right now and get to the previous page where it was forcing us to verify pattern in my case, right now what will happen is it's gonna tell me to simply verify a pin. Because the phone can only hold one method of unlocking as a screen lock, it now overrid the previous one with the pin that I have set up. And we should see it shortly. There we go. So as you can see, it's telling me to verify pin instead of a pattern now. So I'm gonna simply put that pin that I have set up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. And we can now finish up the setup. Now here you can select skip, which at the moment I recommend actually skipping everything. And the reason I'm recommending this is because there is one last step that I would suggest taking, which is a reset of the device. So let's quickly finish up the setup. So once we have access to our home screen, I would recommend going into the settings. So right over here, then scrolling all the way down to, where is it? System right here. Reset options, and then select erase all data, delete all data. Again, we're going to confirm our pin that we have selected, and then select delete all data once more. This will begin factory resetting your device, and the reason I recommend doing this as a last step is because if there is anything left over from the old account, performing this kind of reset will remove anything that was previously as a security measure. So PIN, pattern, password, Google accounts, all removed, and you won't need to bypass anything anymore. Now, chances are the device is quite possibly unlocked when we verify this, but I am not 100% sure about that, so that's why I recommend doing this. This will ensure that your device is 100% unlocked, and from there you can, obviously once the process is finished, you can go through the setup and set it up the way you want to. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.